here's the annual planting of the palm trees at the Crescent Beach Club. We literally transform our beach from a North Shore Long Island beach into a tropical island feeling resort for our weddings and events for the whole summer long. They go in around today and tomorrow, and then they live till around the Thanksgiving, which really enables us to make our beach into a resort style event space for the entire season long. Besides the trees, we put in 100 tons of fresh beach sand, and if you look right over there, you'll see all the sand that's going to end up on the beach once we're all finished. So you'll see the transformation over the next 2 or 3 days of us turning our beach into this beautiful paradise right here on the North Shore of Long Island.